Congratulations on deciding to get new hardwood floors installed in your home. We have found that most of our customers feel a little bit overwhelmed when they start to get bombarded with so many different flooring options. We understand this can be a daunting task because there are so many different variables to consider when getting new floors. At Kimminau Floors, we take great pride in educating our clients, and we're working diligently on adding valuable content to our website to help clear up the confusion and make this process a little bit more fun. We pride ourselves on setting the right expectations and making sure our clients understand all of the various options that are available to them. We do provide an extensive array of solutions for our clients, from pre-finished flooring, site finished flooring, solid planks, engineered, or even luxury vinyl tile. Here's a quick synopsis of things to consider when trying to decide on the right contractor. First and foremost, who's doing the work, employees or subcontractors? At Kimminau Floors, we use employees who are certified National Wood Flooring Association technicians. We have a 3-year apprenticeship program and take our training very seriously. Can the product you're selecting be refinished? The market is flooded with cheap pre-finished flooring options that can never be refinished. Please avoid these at all costs. We will never sell our clients a solution that has to be replaced in 10 to 15 years. Our products are designed to last 50 to 100 years. And two of the most important steps that are often overlooked, hardwood acclimation and subfloor preparation. If your contractor isn't talking about these topics, please find another one. Your project will most likely require demolition, new trim, paint, etc. And you can shop around and hire 4 different contractors, or you can hire Kimminau Floors, where we offer a complete turnkey solution. If you'd like to take a deeper dive into our installation services, please check out our blog page under the Resources tab, where you'll find several videos and blog posts that answer many questions we regularly receive. This is a big investment, and we want you armed with the knowledge you need to make a choice that your family can enjoy for a lifetime. Please select the Get Quote button to set up a hardwood consultation. Thanks for taking the time to check out Kimminau Floors.